our bus has arrived and it's on time. So it's 9 o'clock now and it will take around 14 hours for us to reach Goa. So this bus is really neat, very cozy. It's called Kannada. It travels and the ticket costed me around 1200 per head for one berth. So stay tuned, I'll keep updating you guys. Bye. Hey guys, so finally we got down at Mapsa bus stand at 9 o'clock and we took a prepaid taxi to Arambol. So first 2 days I'll be staying in Arambol, near Arambol beach. So it takes around 45 minutes to 1 hour from this bus stand to Arambol. And it's better to take a cab because the cab and auto is like 100 rupees difference. So we went to a prepaid stand and took a cab for 700 rupees. So now we are on the way and it is around 32 degrees. It's at 9 o'clock. It is going to be really hot during the daytime. Is our hotel. We reached.
Quite good at that, dodging all my questions. Wrap your arms around my neck. Such a decent price.
So guys, we have reached the hotel. So I'm staying in the hotel called the Lotus Sutra in Arambol Beach. So I'm going to show you around how this hotel looks. So it looks like a resort and a hotel types. If you see, there are cottages this side, small cute cottages, and also there are rooms. So I prefer to stay in the rooms. So we are staying in the room and the cost of the room is 4,000 per night here, and that includes breakfast and Wi-Fi. So the best part about this hotel is you can walk right into the beach. So this is the hotel and I'm going to the beach. So we have nothing to do till 2 o'clock. So we thought we might as well go and check out the beach.
You're quite good at that, dodging all my questions. Wrap your arms around my neck. Such a decent price, earning my affection. Now there's no way to go back. Hoping we're in that movie where you teach me how to dance, and I'm just a young and foolish, begs for a second chance, and doing clumsy pirouettes in your bedroom light.
Hey guys, so we are walking in Arambol beach and the beach is really super clean and you get nice crowd. So we found this restaurant called Olive Garden Bar and Family Restaurant, and I ordered this breakfast. It's called Eggs Up Breakfast. So it has a veg salad and fruit salad, sunny side up, and toast, and with tea and watermelon juice.
You're quite good at that, dodging all my questions. Wrap your arms around.
So guys, we are done with our breakfast and now we are going to check into a hotel. So this hotel has a very nice garden to walk around, and this side you will see the cottages and the sitting area outside the cottages too. And the swimming pool is very big and it has a DJ also who plays music during the swimming hours. And here in one side of the hotel you will see the DIY area where you can see people making art out of recycled papers and cardboards, and I also found few painters. So you get a very nice vibe in this hotel. So now I'm going to show you my room tour. Ta-da! This is my room and I really like this room because it's really huge. It has everything like TV, little study table, sofa to sit, and this huge cozy bed. And also I love the bathroom. It is really big from inside and it has this see-through glass. I really like hotels which has big bathrooms. And also this room opens up to the swimming pool, so you can just slide in this doors and you can just walk in the swimming pool. And there's also a little sitting area if you want to have a coffee or something in the evening. I really like this room. Hey guys, so it's 5 o'clock and we're all set to check out Arambol beach. So So afternoon it was very less crowd, but now it looks like very crowded, and then something is happening here. So guys, Arambol beach is really amazing. It has soft sands, beautiful sunsets and really clean beaches. But you know what? It is also famous for the hippie crowd, and you can see there are freestyle drum beats here and people are dressed so differently. It looks like a shaman party, and this is a place we can meet a lot of free spirited people. On the Arambol beach today, and I ordered this mixed seafood platter. It's mixed seafood pakoda, so I'm eating this fish pakoda. Really yum, and I'm loving the vibe. This is the first time I've come to Arambol beach, and it's amazing vibe, amazing crowd, and we're waiting for the sunset so that we can go and play in water and click some amazing pictures.
You'll be here soon. Everything feels wrong, guess we're in a bad mood. Feeling broken hearted over something that never.
Hey guys, so we are done with the food. And we enjoyed amazing sunsets. So look at this golden hours. It's so beautiful, so peaceful. And so now I'm going to check out this place. It's like a resto bar. It's called Twice in Nature. I think we have to drive down around 20 minutes from here or something. But I really wanted to check out some really cool place for dinner. So yeah, I'll just show you how the place looks once we reach there. Bye bye. So guys, Arambol is also famous for its popular hippie flea markets, yoga classes and also tasty vegan restaurants, and you will be surprised to see the accessories collection in these markets. I really love them. I've been to Goa many times, but I find Arambol shopping is much better than the shopping in the other parts of Goa, so you must try the shopping in Arambol when you're here.
I guess it wasn't true. If I only knew what you put me through, I don't deserve this. I thought it'd be me and you.
Guys, I'm in Twice in Nature. So this place is famous for its local musicians, hippie crowd and also trance music. So I'm so excited to experience it for the first time. Hey guys, this is my day one vlog and I hope you enjoyed this video, and tomorrow I am going to hire a bike and go and check out some sightseeing places. So stay tuned for my next vlog. Please like, share and subscribe, and also comment below how you feel about this video. So till then, see you in my next vlog. Bye bye.